Hi Dennis, I just wanted to do one more thing for you specifically because you don't deal with engines with the old time points on them very often. The way this works, your key switch, you close your key switch, and there's a resistor block right here. That's what that is. That's that white thing on it, that you'll see on the web page. And that drops the voltage down to the coil, on the plus side of the coil, to about 5 to 6 volts, somewhere in that range. Then there's a wire that goes to this terminal on the distributor. This is the inside of the distributor with the distributor cap off. That's what it looks like. And you got a condenser in there, and then you have the points in there, and then you have an 8-sided shaft here. And every time the point of the shaft comes to the follower on the points, it opens this switch right here. When that switch opens, and those are your contact points. When those contact points open, that is the instant at which the coil will throw a spark. And of course, the coil throws a spark to the top side of the distributor, and then depending on the position of the rotor, it sends the spark down whichever spark plug wire is supposed to go down at the right time, and so forth. So that's how that works. This is just a transformer, very similar to a transformer that hangs on the poles on the electric service. But they work on AC volts, and this is DC. So to make a transformer work on DC, you've got to make it think it's AC. You've got to turn on and turn off the current. And we turn on and turn off the current by this set of points, opening and closing. And you'd think that the spark would happen when they close, but the spark happens when they open. So this condenser is to help preserve the points. So this condenser is one possibility for the points burning up. It's if this condenser is damaged, then it's not doing its job. If it's burned up, whatever, it's not doing its job. So it's important to change the condenser when you change the points. Because that's one reason you can burn up points. And of course, the other reason is having too much power on the points. The reason that we knock it down to 5-6 volts is so that everything runs nice and cool. And of course, you can imagine your spark would be less here on 6 volts than it would be on 12. So this is one possibility for burn up points, that we've got this starter, that this contact inside the solenoid is sticking, and putting 12 volts on this on a continuous basis while the engine's running. The other possibility for that problem is the condenser needs to be changed. Those are the two things that'll burn up the points. And as far as the distributor, it's supposed to be grounded, or that won't work. So, all right, I'll put this video on and talk to you very soon on the phone. Bye.